Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Mathematics Year 4, Theme Numbers and Operation, Unit 3, Multiplication of Money. In multiplication of money, we will learn 1. How to multiply the amounts of money involving ringgit and cent. 2. Multiplication with money the same way as in decimal numbers. And 3. We put decimal point after two places from the right in the product. Okay. Now look at this. In this subtopic, we will learn two terms. The first one, the total amount, and the second one, the total cost. Now look at this. How to multiply? Okay, RM 2812. Decimal point 0.5 multiply by 5 equal to, or you can say 2,812 ringgit and 5 cent multiplied by 5 equal to. First, recognize the decimal point. Okay, here is the decimal point. 2. Arrange the digit according to place value. Okay, now look at this. Arrange the digit according to place value. First, decimal point and then place value. Multiply according to place value. Start from ones. Okay, start from ones. In this case, we multiply start from cent. Okay, cent and so on lah. Okay, this one cent and this one the value of ringgit. So here we got what? We got 14,060 ringgit and 25 cent. Okay, look at here. What is missing? The missing is RM, Ringgit Malaysia. Don't forget to put Ringgit Malaysia here. Okay, now we go to the next example. Okay, look at this. 34 pupils receive the same amount of financial aid as above. Calculate the total amount of financial aid. This question I take out from your textbook. You may refer your textbook with subtopic multiplication of money. Okay. So calculate the total amount of financial aid. Method 1, okay, 34 multiplied by 2,800 equal to, okay, method 1, you may use this method. Okay, look at the arrangement, and then you may use second method. Look at the arrangement. Okay, now I want to explain the method 2. Okay, now 2800 multiply by 34. Okay, look how to arrange the numbers, the question. Okay, now 0 times, okay, 0 multiplied by 3, you got 0 and, okay, you got 0. 0 multiply by 3 and you got 0. 8 multiply by 3, you got 2, 4, 24. And 2 multiply by 3, you got 6. Okay, so 0, 6. Okay, and the second row, 0 multiply by 4, 0, 0. 0 multiply by 4, 0, 0. 8 multiply by 4, you got 32. And 2 multiply by 4, you got 8. Okay, now add 0 becomes 0. 0 add 0, add 0, you got 0. 0 add 0, add 0, add 2, you got 2. 0 add 4, add 3, add 5, add 8, sorry. 0 add 4, add 3, add 8, you got 15. So 5 here and 1 here. 110 is here. So 1 add 2, add 6, you got 9, and 0 also 0. So the answer is Ringgit Malaysia 95,200. Okay, if you use this method, make sure you write the answers like this in this number sentence. Okay, so the total amount of financial aid is Ringgit Malaysia 95,200. It's okay when you want to use method 1 or method 2. So pick the method that you think is easy for you to get the answer. Okay, now we go to the next question. Okay, Sihat Exercise Equipment Center, exercise badge, Ringgit Malaysia 5,095 and 30 cents. What is the total cost for 10 exercise bikes? Okay, this is the number sentence. 10 multiplied by Ringgit Malaysia 5,095 and 30 cents. Use method 1. Okay, use method 1. 0, 0. So you got 2 0 here. Okay, 0, 0. 3 multiplied by 1, you got 3. Why? Because 2 decimal point. So look at the tips. Shift the point 1 place to the right if multiplied by 10. So we got 0, 0, and then we put decimal point, and then we multiply as usual. So we got the answers here. Ringgit Malaysia 50,953. Okay, for the answers. Okay, we may use method 2 also. You just shift the the decimal point, and then you got the answer 50,953 ringgit. So the total cost of 10 exercise bike is Ringgit Malaysia 50,9053. Okay, now we move to the next. Okay, next example. Okay, next example is very easy, but you have to more careful, because here 19 multiplied by Ringgit Malaysia 864 and 70 cents equal to, this one is number sentence. Remember this number sentence. Okay, method 1 you may use, okay, the multiplication method like this, and method 2 you may use like this. Okay, how to get 19? 19 is 20, subtract 1. Okay, so you may use this method, 20 multiplied by 864.70 cents. Okay, and then you got the answer is here, and then okay, and then you subtract. Okay, you subtract with 1 multiplied by Ringgit Malaysia 864.70 cents. Okay, and then you got the answer. So the answer same within method 1 and method 2. Okay, so the answer is Ringgit Malaysia 16,429 ringgit and 30 cents. Okay, class. Okay, now exercises. Look at this. Test yourself. Number 1. Calculate A, B, C, D, E, F. You make sure use your mathematics exercise. Copy this question, copy number sentence first, and then solve the question using the method I have shown just now. Okay, now thank you class for today. See you next lesson.